So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my twist outs. I found the easiest 2-product combo that gets me the best twist out that lasts. So this is actually, today will make this exactly 1 week old hair. I did this twist out, and I could keep my hair like this if I wanted, but I just want to define it a little bit more. I do want to say though, before I get started, that this is what I found to work for me. I realized I get no flaking, none of that. I used to have to use gel to get this look that I've been getting with these 2 products, but now I don't even have to use gel anymore. This may not work for everybody. I've just been using this. I found this a couple months ago and I've been sticking to it, so maybe this will help somebody, maybe it won't. It's just showing you guys what I like to use and what works for me. These are the 2 products that I used. I don't know what made me use this combo when I was trying, new products to do twist outs with, but this is the Mielle Rosemary Mint leave-in conditioner, and then this is the Carol's Daughter hair milk. And of course I use oil and everything and water, but these are the 2 main products. So here I'm just starting with showing you guys a close-up. I honestly could have just continued to wear my hair like this, but I really wanted it to be a little more fresh for my work week. And everything in this video I'm going to be doing is very easy to follow, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. But I do start by slightly removing tangles before I get started. Then I go in and spray my hair with water, and I don't heavily spray my hair. I like to leave it a little less than damp, and in my water bottle is actually a little bit of conditioner. I find that when I keep my hair a little less than damp, my results always come out really, really good, and it doesn't take my hair 2 to 3 days to dry, compared to if my hair was drenched. After detangling my hair a little bit with my fingers and spraying my water, I go ahead and apply my 2 products that I showed you guys in the beginning. After I apply those 2 products, I put a little oil to seal it all in, and then I just go ahead and begin twisting my hair up, and it's literally that simple, and I just repeat the process until I'm done twisting up all of my hair. twist it up. And I just let this dry for the rest of the day. I just do whatever I need to do. I'll leave it out. I never go to sleep with these twists wet, so even at the end of the day, if it's still a little damp, I'll just use a fan and just let it finish drying before I go to sleep. So when I'm taking down my twist, I put a little bit more of the oil on my fingertips, and I just start unraveling them, which I will show close-ups of how I unravel my twist. It's pretty simple how I do it. And then after I unravel everything, I like to separate it, but I don't like to separate it too much because I'm going to end up stretching my hair with heat, and I don't want to have pulled my curls apart because that gives a chance for more frizz to be created. So I just wait until I finish stretching my hair before I continue to separate the pieces and fluff my hair out. So that is going to be it for this hair video. I'm literally just going to leave it like this, and then throughout the week it'll get back to how it was in the beginning of this video. I'm going to try to keep my hands out of my hair and just wait for it to get bigger over the week. I hope that this can help someone because I really love this combo. I do not have to use gel. Finally, my hair can just be fluffy. I also showed me stretching my hair because I do that. I wouldn't have had to do it for this one because my hair was already kind of stretched, but when I'm like quick on the go, like before work or something like that, this just kickstart the stretching part for me. And then after that, I don't have to stretch it with heat anymore. Like I literally just tie it up how I originally do with my scrunchies, and that is it.